Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering the surface off and removing any external media. This prevents short circuits. You should work on an anti-static mat and wear a wrist strap. Static kills components. Once done, remove the magnetic kickstand or case clips if present, then apply a small suction cup to lift the glass edge. Use a plastic spudger to separate adhesive slowly. You want even pressure to avoid cracking. Make sure to label screws as you remove them, because the sizes and lengths vary. You now heat the perimeter evenly to about 60 to 70 degrees Celsius for a few minutes to soften the adhesive. This reduces glass stress. Once warm, insert thin picks and work them around the edge, alternating sides to keep tension balanced. Never pry hard in one spot because you'll crack the digitizer. After a gap is made, lift the display gradually and identify the battery connector. You must disconnect it immediately to prevent power to boards while you continue. Keep track of fragile ribbon cable latches. You remove mounting screws that secure the motherboard, following your labeled order. When you lift, note each ribbon orientation so reassembly is exact. Use a plastic spudger to flip zero-force connectors and gently detach coax leads. Metal tools can damage pads. Once components are out, test any suspect parts before full reassembly to isolate faults. If something goes wrong, make sure to reseat ribbon cables and clean the connector pads with isopropyl alcohol. Often a bad contact, not a failed board, causes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.